Hello family, welcome back to my channel. My name is Martha Kemirembe. How are you doing? And if you've just joined in for the very first time, you're most welcome. You're watching Atutaka Solutions, where we share everything with love regardless of who you are, where you're from, and where you've been to, and everything like that. Okay guys, so today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to create Facebook page, either for a personal or a business blog. And if you have an account, you can sign in, or if you don't have one, you can create, and then you can create a Facebook page. That's after you've signed into your account, your Facebook account. Okay, here you go to, I'm using a cell phone to illustrate this, and you can use a PC or a laptop for that case. All right, so you want to go to a section where they say create page. Okay, all right, so you need to know that everything has its policies, how it operates. So you need to understand on which ground you're opening up a Facebook page. You need to know what things are acceptable, what you should not do. All right, so it's a very great platform if you want to grow your blog or your personal business. Okay, so I'm going to be going through the policies for pages, groups, and events. Overview. Okay, understanding our policies. So general policies for pages, groups, and events. You don't have to involve yourself in prohibited business practices, and they're showing you some of these. All right, pages, groups, and events must not promote products, services, and schemes or offers using deceptive or misleading business practices. So you must be very well acquainted with this in order to avoid mistakes. And then they say that you're not supposed to be doing gambling on the pages or groups and events. You don't have to create events. If you're planning to create events for gambling, it may not work out so well for you, because you'll be going against the policies. Inaccurately tagged content, you need to read these and understand them. Incentivization. Okay, you just basically need to read through all these before you go ahead. It's better than creating your page. You've done a lot of work, and then they just close it, or it's going against the community guidelines, whatever policies. It's very important. So there is administrative of a promotion, assisting. There is an assisting team for Facebook pages, where you can go and ask any question that you have. Yes, creating data from users. You need to understand all that calls to action. If there is anything that you need to rise. Okay, page names. We have page names, and we have content visibility. All this information is very, very, very important. You don't have to skip reading this. And then there's this show marks and cover photos and profile pictures. Basically, that's what you choose that must appear on your profile, your Facebook page, so that everyone who can see it will see that particular picture that you've put, or your trademark, or your brand, anything like that. Then the saying online pharmacies, you need to read through these. Must not promote all that, because some open up for pharmacies, some for, I don't know, so many things. But you need to know what policies are policies and guidelines for that particular blog or that particular business that you want to open a page for. Okay, regulated goods or services. Traffic diversion. You must be very careful with traffic diversion. You must not accept anything of value to drive traffic to go to an app or site. The things are quite small at the time I'm recording this, so you're going to be able to see them when you visit the page. All right. So limited originality of content. Okay, must not post or share content that personally consists of and an original content. You must be very careful with used content, guys. Okay, you must get permission. Branded content, you must get permission, and there are guidelines following that as well. Necessary disclosures. There are things that you should not disclose to the public, maybe. And then there is that. All this personal information. Oops, too much. Okay, guys. Like, basically, you need to go through these things. Otherwise, you may have problems in future after wasting a lot of time trying to build your page. Okay, so we are going to branded content policies. You need to read through that. It's very important, guys. If you know that you're using branded content, you must be very, very careful with that. Lifestyle, fashion, anything with brand. If something has brand on it, you must understand the guidelines, and the policies on that particular product or service you're doing. You must have permission, and there are steps that you must follow to do that. Okay, otherwise you'll face copyright issues and it won't be so good for you. Wow, just a lot. See, you can do that on Facebook, on Instagram. There's that policy on Instagram, guys. You must have a certain account on Instagram. Here they're showing you prohibited content. Videos of Facebook community guidelines. Okay, adult products or services. Wow, so much to pay attention to. Alcohol, over-the-counter drugs, subscription services, financial and insurance products and services. That's restricted content. Cosmetic procedures and weight losses. You must be up to date with these policies because they keep changing. Like for any platform, what we knew a few years back may have completely changed within a blink of an eye. So you need to be updated. Otherwise, it's a very, very great, thing to have a Facebook page. What category best describes the page you want to create? Okay, now here you need to know if it's a personal blog, if it's a beauty and cosmetic or personal care, camera or photo, restaurant, or you can search for these categories that best suits your page. Yes. IT, environmental consultant, credit counseling service, automation service, real estate. Those are very, very good categories. Okay, I'm just going to be showing you for the sake of this video, I'm going to do one with for personal blog. Just like that. You need to know which category. You're not going to be selling you know, if you want to be promoting maybe counseling services, you don't want to open a page that is under category of maybe apparel and clothing and stuff like that. Yeah, you just have to know which category your product or your service lands or lies. Daycare, dry cleaner, Church of Jesus, or so many things. Yeah, wow, a lot of categories right here, but I'm just be going with personal blog. Okay, I was just exploring these and trying to see what categories are there. And then you want to look for the name of the page. Okay guys, you need to come up with a very good name, a name that actually defines or brands you brands your product or your service or your personal blog, or a name that if you've already made a name over other social media networks, you want to come up with a similar name with the Facebook page as well, so that it can help you, or it can help people definitely find your page so easily. Like if somebody came and found Atutaka Solutions, they know that, oh, there's Atutaka Solutions on YouTube. So if you already have on Instagram or LinkedIn account or any other social network. Okay guys, please remember to like this video if you love the content, and also turn on the bell notification so you will not miss any single video from me. And if you haven't subscribed, can they do that? Yes, thank you all for the support. And then here they're asking you, do you have a website for the page that you've created? I put for YouTube because yeah, it's our website as well. If you have a website for, maybe if you have a website, yeah, maybe a different website, you can put the link there. And then here I'm just trying to look for, if you have a picture, a photo defining well or blending well with your page name, you can put it, but I'm not going to look for that right now. Okay, I'm just demonstrating this. As you can see, it lays out so well. So this is the link of the website that I put the YouTube website. And then there's this option for send the message, a personal, okay, it's a personal blog, and then suggest edit. You can always go back and edit your page. Like you can never stop editing. Even if something changes a little bit, you can always come and update. Okay, wow. So I just went and copied my link. What am I doing? Okay, so I was trying out the messaging option. For example, if somebody came on your page and wanted to ask something about that page, they could easily go to your inbox. Yeah, and then these are the similar pages that are under the personal blog, whichever you've chosen. Yeah, they'll be giving you just the similar recommendations. For example, if somebody visited your page and they want to see the similar or the related categories, so, or even yourself, you can easily search for maybe a local business or a place, you know, just trying out these things, these features. Basically, that's after you've created your page, you can now have it like so nicely. You can upload a profile picture and a cover photo. That one is always the behind the profile picture. Yeah, the rectangular, you know, space that is behind there, you can put the picture or any image that is in relation with your blog or with your business page. Alright, it's so easy, but I just wanted to show you the details. Some people, you just do things maybe without knowing, and like, oh, I wish somebody told me. But it's always good to go through these policies, not just to accept and say yes, okay, I agree. You need to know what you're really agreeing to, so that you're not caught up on the wrong side. Okay, so here you can invite your friends. Yes, you can actually select so many friends and invite them to your page, to visit them your page. To give them an invitation to your page, so they can check you out. Okay, and the interesting bit of it is that they'll be telling you how many people have liked your page in that particular time, or in 28 days, how many people have liked your page, what engagements you've got, what kind of new posts you've got, any increments or any declines. You need to be up to date, or you need to be active on your page. Okay, I'm just trying out to put a new post, like if you have something that you want to tell the public or the people that are following your page. Okay, so you can just choose. And Facebook has so many what are these things called, themes you can use. They're so beautiful. You can use them and customize your message to the public. And again, you want to follow the guidelines. Okay, everything has a guideline. You need to be able to follow the guidelines if you want to be on the safe side. Okay, so easy. You can do it in actually less than 2 minutes. You've created a page, for as long as you have your Facebook account, and you can download your Facebook application on your phone or on your computer or a laptop, and you just sign in your account, and you just go to like this. Like, I'm using a phone that is, mine shows them from down, these options like the home page, the notifications, the friends, and the pages, and you just go to boom, create a page, and there you have your page. Okay, just name it the name you want and choose a category of the things that you're going to be doing, and it's super easy. Okay, so here I'm trying to show you that you can comment on your page, or even you can try out to see the view for the public, like how would the public be viewing your page. Yes, and then you can edit it, as I've already said earlier on. You can edit it to suit your needs, okay, and your objectives. Well, see, you already have a page, and you have to be active. As I said, you have to be active. You have to be updating your followers, the people following you, like what you're up to. If you're doing a business or a brand or something, you need to be updating them, maybe of new release, of new offers. Sometimes you need to give them new discount offers. But if it's a personal blog, still you can do your stuff. Think of what to write or what to share with your friends or with the followers, in this case, just like that. So easy. Yes, so basically that's it, guys. You can just follow and see. Like, I'm just trying out these features. Like, see, there's a general settings, there's page info, there's messaging, notifications, page roles. Yes, you can decide to attach Facebook WhatsApp contact on your Facebook page, so that if the people come to your page and they want to talk to you directly, maybe on WhatsApp messaging, you can attach a number. Okay, you need to make sure it's an active number, and because you're going to be verifying it. All right, because you're not a robot, you're actually a human being doing this, so they'll need a second step verification. Okay, and then you can set a default reply for your page. Like if somebody sends you a message, they'll instantly get this back. See, you can create a question like, hi, thank you for visiting XYZ page, how may we help you? Okay. You just personalize it. And if you're too busy to do that, you can employ a team to do that job for you. And yeah, okay, hi, thanks for contacting Atutaka Solutions. Please, how may we help you? Yeah, so you got to choose. You can put as many features on your page. See, there is this unaware message, a message that you can always put for the people if they contact you and you're not online at that time, so that they're not left in space or bored, don't know what to do. Is this page active? Is it actually a legal page? Is it a clear page? Or yeah, so this is an our message. Thanks for message. We are away and can't respond right now. We appreciate you. We appreciate you reaching out. Okay, then you can always put up your other website. For example, if they cannot get you on Messenger at that particular time, maybe if you've got issues maybe with your connection on that particular device, you can always refer them to a different website. Okay, yeah, super easy. Is anyone available? Yeah. Yes, so these are questions that you put you set as default, that somebody will always find on your page, that they don't have to type them, they just see which one suits their need at that time. So they'll be like, are you still available now? There are many options for that. Yeah, would you like to know what we share on the other websites? I'm just trying this out for the sake of this video. Like, you can be creative with your page, okay, depending again on your needs and what you're doing at that time. For example, if you're selling stuff, if you're having an online shop, yeah, you want to include all those features, like the how much and everything. I may be planning to make another video specifically on that, yeah, for marketing and advertising. That will be on another video, guys, and it will be shorter than this. This was just for details. Hi, thanks for contacting us. We received your message and appreciate you reaching out. And then you can put, you can put questions. You can, I don't know how many questions you can put, but there's this option for add question. You can add question. Each question that you add, you can put an answer. and leave an option for somebody to, okay. So here I'm trying to put my YouTube channel so that somebody can connect with you on that other website. Or if you have an Instagram account, you can also include it, or a LinkedIn account, because different people prefer different social interaction means. So, and maybe the way how they see you may not be able to express yourself here, but when you go to Instagram, maybe the many pictures of what you're selling, maybe you have an Instagram shop. Is it called an Instagram shop? Okay, yeah, yeah, I think it's called an Instagram shop. Okay, we share everything with love regardless. Okay, I'm just trying to put a description. And yeah, that's so far so good. I'm just missing out these things. You can add an action button like location, shop now, and wow, you can be experimental with all these features. Okay, use WhatsApp as action button. Okay, sync contact info. And yes, see, I was trying out that WhatsApp, and you need to, as I told you already, you need to make sure you verify. So they'll send a message or a message with a code to verify that it's you. So you check your messages and get that code and put it here, so that number will be verified to be used on your Facebook page. I didn't get it because I wasn't with my phone. I looked for it, I didn't find it. Okay, so I left alone the WhatsApp something for now, but you can always edit, you can always fix it in at any point of time. Yes guys, continue to support this channel by subscribing if you haven't done that. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support and the trust, guys. I promise I'll be bringing you these updates. And if anyone is just coming to this social network stuff, there's so many things that keep changing, and I'll be sharing with you as I make my own research and findings through maybe experiences and personal research. So we share these things, and we all hold each other's hand for the better future. Yes, you can put us an email, a send email button, so you can put your email so that somebody can contact you on your email directly, for business stuff. Okay, it's more formal. Some people prefer emails because they can easily attach the maybe formal files and stuff like that. You can put your working hours. Maybe you're open to Monday, from Sunday to Monday, or from Monday to maybe Friday, or from maybe Sunday to whatever, maybe up to Thursday, depending on your schedule and where you are, in which country you are. Okay, yes, this is what I was telling you. Connect to Instagram to get more features. If you want, you can connect this page to your Instagram. Okay, if you already have an Instagram account, you can just sign in and connect. It will take you to Instagram, and you sign in, so you can connect it. So you you can also choose if you post something on Instagram, that it should come also on Facebook by default. Does it make sense? You know the things, guys. You know them better than I. Some of them. Yes, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying around. Please subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, click the bell notification so you will never miss any video from Atutaka Solutions with Love regardless. And yes, we shall continue sharing these tips. Yes, and keep checking out for new videos and you'll not be disappointed, I can promise you. Alright guys, that's it for now. Please remember to try these things out and explore the internet because everything is going online today. Yes, bye bye. God bless you all.